7 dreams in which God speaks to you while you sleep. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real, so powerful, that you woke up with a sense of divine presence or conviction? Many people throughout history, including figures in the Bible, have experienced life-changing revelations through their dreams. Some of these dreams were so vivid and profound that they could only have come from God. In fact, God has often used dreams as a means of communicating with His people, guiding them, warning them, and even revealing hidden truths. But what does it mean when God speaks to us through dreams? Can we recognize when it's God and not just our imagination? And what should we do when we believe a dream is a message from the Almighty? In this video, we'll explore 7 types of dreams in which God speaks to you while you sleep. These dreams are not just random visions, they are often messages that can provide guidance, comfort, and even warning. If you've ever wondered if your dreams might be more than just a reflection of your thoughts, emotions, or fears, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how God uses dreams to communicate with His people. Chapter 1. The Dream of Divine Calling. The first type of dream where God speaks to you is through a dream of calling. This is a dream where you sense that God is calling you to a specific purpose or ministry. In these dreams, you may see yourself doing something out of the ordinary or being involved in a work that seems far beyond your current ability or position in life. In 1 Samuel 3:10, young Samuel heard God's voice calling to him in the night. Though Samuel didn't initially recognize it was God, it was in the quiet of the night, while he was sleeping, that God chose to speak to him. A dream of calling might come in the form of an instruction, like seeing yourself in a role of leadership, preaching to others, or guiding people in faith. You might wake up with a strong sense of purpose or clarity about a direction in your life. God uses these dreams to remind you that there is a divine purpose for your life, and He wants to get your attention so you can step into your calling. Chapter 2. The Dream of Warning. Another type of dream where God speaks to you is through a dream of warning. These dreams often involve dangers, pitfalls, or difficult situations that lie ahead. They might be filled with urgency or a deep sense of unease, and you wake up with the feeling that you've been given a warning to act or avoid something. In Matthew 2:12-13, after the birth of Jesus, the wise men were warned by God in a dream not to return to King Herod. God used this dream to protect the newborn Jesus from harm. Similarly, you may have a dream where you sense a danger approaching, whether it's about relationships, a decision, or a situation, and God is showing you the need to take caution. A dream of warning may include symbols or scenarios where you find yourself making a bad decision or going down the wrong path, only to be jolted awake or realize the danger. God uses these dreams to keep you alert and to guide you away from harm. Chapter 3. The Dream of Divine Comfort. Sometimes God speaks to you through dreams to offer you comfort. These dreams are particularly common when you're going through difficult seasons of life, such as loss, grief, or anxiety. In these dreams, God often provides peace, hope, and a sense of His presence. In Isaiah 41:10, God promises His people that He will strengthen and help them in times of trouble. Dreams of comfort often bring a sense of calm in the storm, offering you assurance that God is with you, even when things seem uncertain. For example, you might dream of being held in God's arms, experiencing peaceful surroundings, or receiving comforting words from a loved one who has passed away. These dreams are a reflection of God's desire to remind you that He is in control, even in the midst of your troubles. Chapter 4. The Dream of Direction. In dreams, God can give you clear direction for your life. These dreams are often very specific and can serve as answers to prayers or doubts you've been wrestling with. In Acts 16:9-10, Paul had a vision during the night of a man from Macedonia calling him to come and preach the gospel there. This dream was the divine direction Paul needed to move forward in his ministry. If you've been facing a crossroads in life or wrestling with a decision, God might give you a dream where the path becomes clear. You might see yourself in a new environment or situation, and when you wake up, you have a profound sense that this is the direction God is calling you toward. These dreams provide clarity and help you see the next step you need to take, whether it's a new career, a relationship, or a change in your spiritual walk. Chapter 5. The Dream of Confirmation. Sometimes, God speaks to you in dreams as a confirmation of something He's already spoken to your heart, or something that has been on your mind. You may have had a feeling or an idea in your waking life, and in a dream, God confirms it, reinforcing the message. In Genesis 41, Pharaoh has a dream that Joseph interprets, revealing the future famine that was coming. This dream served as a divine confirmation that God's plan was unfolding, and Joseph's interpretation led to the saving of many lives. If you've been questioning something or feeling uncertain about a decision, a dream of confirmation can be a powerful reassurance that you're on the right path, or that God is affirming His will in your life. Chapter 6. The Dream of Restoration. Restoration is another powerful theme that can come through dreams. God restores what was broken, whether it's a relationship, a calling, or your sense of purpose. In dreams of restoration, God may show you that there is hope for what seems lost or impossible to repair. In Joel 2:25, God promises, "I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten." Dreams of restoration may take you to places in your life that need healing or reconciliation. You may dream of rebuilding, healing, or reuniting with loved ones or aspects of your own identity that were damaged. If you've been through a season of pain or loss, God may use dreams to show you that restoration is coming, not just physically, but spiritually and emotionally as well. Chapter 7. The Dream of Prophecy. The final type of dream where God speaks to you is through a prophetic dream. These dreams often have a future element to them. God may show you things that haven't yet happened, providing a glimpse of what is to come. These are visionary dreams where you might receive an insight into a future event, calling, or season in your life. In Daniel 7, the prophet Daniel received a vision that was prophetic in nature, showing him future events concerning nations and kingdoms. God often uses prophetic dreams to reveal His plans for the future, whether they are personal, communal, or global in scope. If you have a prophetic dream, it may feel like a glimpse into something beyond your current reality, providing a sense of anticipation and hope for the future. These dreams can be powerful tools for prayer and intercession as you align your heart with what God is doing in the world. Conclusion. Dreams are not just a random collection of thoughts that happen while we sleep. They can be a spiritual doorway through which God communicates with us in ways that are sometimes subtle and other times unmistakably clear. Whether through a call to action, a warning, a sense of comfort, or even a prophetic vision, God speaks to us in our dreams to guide, correct, and comfort us. If you've ever had a dream that left you with a sense of awe or conviction, it's worth paying attention. Ask God to give you understanding, seek counsel from trusted believers, and pray for clarity about the message He's sending. Dreams can be one of the most intimate and personal ways God reaches us, so don't overlook them. God is speaking, even while you sleep. God bless you.